Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today is vacation day. So I am just getting our car packed up. I gotta show you our trunk. I have strategically put everything in where it's supposed to go. Let me show you. It doesn't get more perfect than that. That's where the food's gonna go. And I have a basket back there, but we're almost a little tight. And I had more stuff that we are trying to get some of our friends to help us with. So, but hey, it's gonna be just fine. So we are on our way. We're all packed up, and look what I have. Isaiah's gonna come with us too. So that'll make for fun pictures, right? And these kids have been going bonkers this morning. So we are all set. We got our gas. We're just waiting for our friends. We have our sodas. And are we ready to go, you guys?
Yeah.
Woohoo! No, notice we have to put the big kid in the middle of the two little ones or they're gonna fight. Mom tricks, mom hacks. We're about to get ready and we have our friends here. Woohoo! Hey Presley! Are you ready to go on vacation? Yes! Since we've been going on vacation, it's like tradition where we do pranks to each other. And that's our friend Lene over there. She did something in the Phillips car. We're getting into my favorite part of this drive, which is going right through those mountains. It's called the Gorge, and it's so pretty. Stop and get some pizza, so I can't wait. Right, we've arrived to the pizza factory in St. George for our early dinner or way late lunch, whichever you want to call it. Here we are, all ready to eat. Hey! Time for some salad. So these are their garlic breadsticks. They are so good. It kind of has like a pretzel taste. And I love pretzels. What do you think, Ezzy? Like that? So we are now at the house. I know it's a little bit loud because everybody's unpacking and it's nice and echoey. So I'll show you quickly. And it's beautiful. Nobody comes. Hello. Oh yeah! Showing a tour of the house. Yeah. I won't go into all the unmentionables. Beautiful big room here. Hey, Bobby. Hey. Hi. This beautiful large living room, and the kids are so excited for this. A pool in the middle. Like a jacuzzi. So it goes around in like a square. Hey! This is where we're gonna be. This great big bed. And it has a nice little bathroom in there. It's beautiful, but we forgot a cot for one of our kids. So these are concrete floors. I don't know if you can. We're gonna go to Walmart and get some stuff. So maybe I'll pick up another cot. But so beautiful, gorgeous place, lots of room. The kids are so excited to be here. They just keep running in a circle. It is hilarious. But that jacuzzi is calling our name. So, baby tonight. And there's even 2 more rooms back here and some more another bathroom. So it's a pretty big place for all of our 4 families. So we're doing something pretty special over our vacation. We may have to do some of those things. What are those crazy people in the middle of the street? Is that a monkey? That's crazy, Lene. So Tina's trying our...
What is it?
It's cream cheese, or it's cheese, like a cheese log, like a cheese ball. It's got jalapenos and pineapple.
That is
Good. Yeah, right?
Oh.
I was kind of craving that.
That's like delish.
Okay, so it's not like a cheese ball, but it's more like in a container, so we could carry it around. So easy. Jalapeno. I was just going to say that, girl. You stole the words right out of my mouth. So it's day 2. We are just waking up. Everybody's starting to slowly wake up, but look at the view that we have. We're about to get some rain, which is fine because we like each other, so we can be inside. How'd you guys sleep, Lene?
We slept good.
You did? Oh, good.
What about you guys?
I didn't.
You didn't sleep good?
So there's some more. It always takes me a couple of days to get used to a place.
Yeah.
Having a great time. We've just had a little bit of breakfast. We've had, and we're in day 2 now. And we have been playing games. We're on our way now to go have some lunch, which I'm not sure where we can take 22 people, but I'm sure it'll be delicious, and I'm going to be taking you along with me. So far, we're having so much fun, and these are honestly our most wonderful, loving friends. We cherish all of our times together. We've been friends for years now, so this has been a wonderful experience to just travel with them. It's just kind of like icing on the cake. So let's go to lunch. Do you want some ketchup or something? No? Little corn dogs. All right, so these are the boys'. They have pig outs, which have a lot of bacon in them, I believe. Right? Mm-hmm. Look at that.
That's yours. Look it up.
They have really good burgers here. And I just got like a cheeseburger.
And buds, is that okay, sir?
Okay.
Yeah. All right, so Paul got some chicken strips that are drenched in buffalo sauce. It's good. And look, there's Presley eating her cheeseburger. She's so cute. They have just really good food here, and the fries are bottomless. So we love the Red Robin because they have like charbroiled or something on their. They're just really tasty in their cheeseburgers. So Red Robin's the bomb. It is pouring on us. What is with us going on vacation with our friends and it raining on us? Ah, my hair is soaked. Okay, maybe not, but it's pretty wet. Anyways, we're now headed to get some ice cream at one of our favorite places, the Red Barn, and they are delicious. If you've been watching our vacation vlogs, we've been there before a few times. So let's see what I get today. They got the good stuff here. I'm gonna get German chocolate. So I got this yummy German chocolate and it tastes delicious. But look at this place too. Like they have all these little like cute little country store treats in here. All these nice little syrups. It's called Rowley's Red Barn. They have like the old-fashioned lollipops, caramel popcorn. But look at, this is like the best part when the summertime when we're super hot. Everything in here is like in a refrigerated room, and so it's really neat that you can get like a lot of like the local fruit that's growing. It's like, you know, not quite spring-ish, so I'm sure they'll be filling up pretty quick here. So Rowley's Red Barn is literally a red barn. And it's super good. So if you're traveling through Utah, there's only 2 locations, so it's definitely worth the trip. So the rumblings of something that's about to happen are happening now. They are getting ready for an ultimate Nerf war. I'll be recording this one for sure. Not sure if I'll be participating, but the boys are so excited and the little kids even more excited. So this should be fun. Kiddos, they are ready for some war.
I thought so too.
Oh yeah.
I got shot.
Make your meanest faces.
I got shot in the jump.
Ready to rumble.
In my chest and shot me.
Ready to rumble.
Ready to rumble.
Look at the arsenal.
Have it here.
What is going to transpire here? Picking teams. Picking teams. About to get intense. Kids are so excited, and this should be fun. Got our jams going. Got strategic moves planning, and we'll see what transpires. This is my friend Soraya. Who do you think's gonna win, Soraya? Her dad, Steve! Look at all the bullets all over the ground. Oh my gosh. Get him, get him, get him! Get him, get him, get him! So this is near the end of our second day. We have just been having so much fun with all of our friends. I could hear that the kids were wanting to eat a little bit something kind of late at night, so I better go feed my kids. But I'm going to show you what we're gonna do tomorrow and the next day. This has been such an amazing trip. I love being with our friends so much, but I'm so glad to share it with you. So stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. See you tomorrow.